stop by and take a look at the 2012 Regal. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.